How to change girl voice in Instagram voice message. Now in this video, I'm gonna show you a specific method for you to change into girl voice and then sending it into Instagram VM. Now Instagram does not have this immediate or additional feature. So what you want to have to do is to pull up your app store and then type in voice changer. And from here, simply choose the voice changer application that you prefer. So for example, this one, have it downloaded and installed on your mobile device and pull it up. And from here, type in the text that you would like to be swapped it over into a voice and then choose a specific character that would you like to switch it into. Once you successfully generated that, and then just simply access your Instagram application and then send it over into a VM on your inbox list. And that's it. That's how you change your Google Voice in Instagram voice message.